Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the MONSGA robot vacuum and mop combo. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open, you'll have instructions. It's like a board, landing board. Main piece, which kind of walks you through quick mapping your home. It's got a nice little guide there for you. That's just a spacer. Gives you a little idea of what you have: your side brush, dust bag, mop, user manual. These are extras. And then this will be your mop piece, which I'm not going to demonstrate personally. Again, thicker user manual, filter, cleaning brush, whole bunch of stuff. I know I'm not doing a great job of showing it, but it's all in there. And they do a great job of kind of walking you through every step with kind of preparation and tips and stuff like that. Removable stickers, remote control, batteries, cleaning bag, which is removable through here. So this will be kind of the base, charging, and again, that'll set. I'm not doing a good job of showing it, but it'll settle kind of like so. Set this in eventually. There we go. And this thing will just kind of ride right on, finding its charging ports right there. So we'll go ahead and get this set up and then test it out for you. So I've got it plugged into the wall without turning it on. I just plugged it in and attached it. You'll see a little blue light over there showing that it's charging, and this is obviously blinking. It did make some noise. It said it gave it like a bang, 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 and then said ready for cleaning. So you got to download the app. I think it's a Smart Life app. I'm not certain. It's in the instruction manual. There's a QR code. But anyway, you'll just go ahead and connect that. You can use the remote control if you prefer, but I'm going to be using the app just to make my life a little bit easier to map it out. Once you start mapping it out, and I'll show that process a little bit, it will go immediately into a cleaning, so just be aware of that. All right, so you'll be looking for the MONSGA MR7 Pro, and you'll go ahead and unlock the device and all that stuff. You'll have to give up some information about storage and all those details, so I'll skip through this. Once you connect your Wi-Fi, it'll start downloading and adding your device. And it just succeeded in the network connection. So it's loading a map. So this is kind of the part where we set up auto clean and or we map out the house. So we'll kind of walk you through that process as it's moving around.
Start quick mapping.
So you'll have a quick mapping feature, and it's just going to start moving. So be aware of that. And yeah, he's going to be interested, my little puppy. So just be aware that it is going to start going all over the place. It's going to cycle. Close doors that you don't want it to go into. For instance, I'm not going to have it cleaning my bedroom or my bathroom. For our purposes, but it's just going to start bumping into stuff a little bit and mapping around, so be aware of things that you want covered and what you don't want covered, because it's going to just start scanning using its super features. So I'll let it continue, and while it's doing that, I should show that it is slowly creating a map of my floor, and just be aware of cords and anything like that. But as you can see, it's starting to move around my my bedroom here, and we're probably going to get lost underneath my bed, which is never fun. I should have stopped that. And once you've gotten that, it'll start giving you kind of zones, and it's all the same room, frankly, but it's going to give me room 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I can start to, monitor what I want it cleaning, what I don't want it cleaning, stuff like that. And while it's cleaning up that process, there are different things that you can end the current task. You can do things like scheduling, map management, dust collection, records, do not disturb mode, remote, find my robot, all that stuff. All cool stuff. And then of course you can kind of set up an auto clean, or you could just pause it and return it home if you want. It's got a lot of different capabilities. Again, it'll give you an idea on areas cleaned, how many times you've cleaned it, and customizations that allow you to do all kinds of different stuff. Networks, sharing devices, all that stuff. So this thing is really amazing, and the key being kind of the map control, stuff like that. So I'm going to let it run a little bit. You can manage the map, forbidden zones, all that stuff, as well as kind of cleaning modes, whether you want it to mop, sweep, water speed, suction, stuff like that, custom, all that. One more important note is the forbidden zone is your friend. So literally you'll just, oops, wrong button. You'll hit this little map button and then hit forbidden zone. You'll create whether you want to have a, I use the red ones because I'm using just the vacuum as opposed to mop, but you can kind of just get the idea where we'll just press this button and then you'll just create it, and you can drag it, drop it, make it bigger, zone it however you want, and then of course just close it out if you want. But you can drag it and drop it and move it. So like I've got my bed here, I've got this kind of mirror area over in the corner that I'm avoiding, and it does a really nice job. And so it'll just show you once we're done, it'll show you kind of where it's been and where it's going. So it's right here. It's literally just going up and down my room right now, in process and cleaning, and doing exactly what it's supposed to do and avoiding all the little spots. So if you don't want it going under the bed, like I don't, I just made this big area kind of a zone that it's not allowed to go into. I don't want it going underneath that little dresser area, so I made that a forbidden zone. And so it'll just avoid those things, and it will figure out stuff that's in its way. It'll automatically stop and move, and it'll slowly map out kind of, that there's something in that area. And it'll avoid it. But that's the cool part about this whole thing, is it's a very smart vacuum, which I absolutely love. And I can just leave it and let it run once I've got it all mapped out and figured out, and it'll just give me an idea of what it's done, and then it'll go back to its home base, which is that little green area, to charge. And sorry, I'm not zooming in well, but there we go. No, I don't know why it's kind of having zoom issues, but it'll just go back on its own, charge on that mat, and go. So to me, I love the ability to kind of just map it out, get it done, and then clean and let it go. I don't love using mops because I think that's, to me, I don't want to have my floor mopped all the time because I keep a very clean house and we don't wear shoes, so I just need to get the dust up. So to me, this is the perfect solution. Definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you. And thanks for watching.